falling, but I'm rising high. Shook off the shadows, left the pain behind. Every storm I weathered taught me to believe. Now the sun is shining, there's a brand new me. I've been broken, I've been low, but I found my strength. Let it show like the river running to the sea. This is my time, my destiny. It's a new season, a new me.
Say hi, guys. What's that? Hi, y'all. Let me get your computer. Let me turn the music off, baby. Y'all, I'm gonna try to talk over the background because she's got Sesame Street playing, but y'all, I was super busy today. Hi, y'all. Well, we got some work done in the closet, and guess what? I realized that I don't need any more clothes because your girl has tons and tons of things to make her fall wardrobe pop. So, while I go give her some goodies, why don't y'all check me out in the closet and let me show you some of the fits that I put together. You know, just a few things. I got tons of outfits, really, I do. So we're gonna have a little segment on shopping your closet. Okay, you can shop your own closet, and let's do that. Let me show you some of the outfits that I put together. Let's go. See, yes, I did. Oh, but I did. Oh, sorry, I closed the door on you. What the freak?
Where you going, little freak?
La 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 la. Girl. Okay, I don't know what happened. I'm trying to use my mirror thing. Stick it
What
on.
is that?
You duplicate your back camera.
Oh, okay. I want one of them. Cool.
Yeah. But I put my thingamajig on the wrong side. So
I didn't know there was a thing.
and it works with my Android and my iPhone too. So you didn't know it was a thing? Oh, it's a big thing. You know, for the makeup people who do TikTok videos and TikTok people and all that short form content creators. You just be completely vamping on me.
My God, she not like me.
Girl, I really had a good time. I told you I did my fits, right? I got all my fits lined up.
Oh yeah, you told me that yesterday.
Yeah, in my closet, and I don't even feel like trying this stuff on. I got like all my fits. Like if I want to just get dressed for the fall, I just come in here and grab the 2 pieces. I have these faux leather pants and this sweater that goes together perfectly. Royal, don't knock over my camera. And I got all my 2 pieces. You done close the door on me and your mama. Close the door, Royal. Close the door. Close the door, Royal. Can you see me now? Have this cute 2-piece outfit all ready together, like everything Have my two pieces all together finally in one section. I'm loving this. Your mom is looking at me like, what the hell is she doing? Girl, I'm recording my video. Red sweater.
I'm not looking at you.
I have some red boots. I have red boots, red purse, and my cargo camouflage pants. I put that on. That's a fit. You know she done start talking to my vlog now, right?
She said, hey, y'all.
Girl, yeah. Then she'll say, hey, friends. I'll be like, girl, get out my vlog. I had to edit so much. She said, what's up? I said, your mama must say what's up a lot. I don't know. What's up? Hi, y'all. And I really don't even say that. So it must be, she probably get it from who I be watching. Because I don't say hey, y'all.
Hey, y'all.
Love this. I got them all situated. And when I get ready to pop out on y'all asses, this how your girl gonna be dressing. This one, I love it. It's off one shoulder. You know, it's like, yeah, it's cute. Whatever. And I don't have to shop because all I have to do is come shop my closet. I have these faux leather pants and this big raggedy like sweater. It's so cute. You know, put on my black boots, or I can leave on my red boots and my red purse. Hey, I need a red newsboy cap. So cute. And it goes completely all the way across. Yeah. Check it out. This two piece is so cute.
Look at me.
And then, of course, you know, grandma duty calls. So we have to put on another video. Yeah. I don't even know how to operate this thing most of the time. Maddie, did you ever figure this thing out? Some kind of way I done got onto mine. I don't even know where her stuff is any longer.
Oh, girl, I ain't been on that device.
No, Royal, let my clothes go. Let it go. Let it go. Hi, y'all. How y'all doing? Where you get that from? Who told you that? Your mama? Did she be vlogging when you there? Did she say, hey, y'all? You sound like a hillbilly.
Hey, y'all.
Hello.
Hey, Royal. Royal.
Here you go. Say thank you.
Would rather not get messy. They feed, they bathe, they play catch. That's why we made a baby wipe big enough to help protect them.
How commercials get on there? What is that? All right, that's cute. What is that? Oh, I love this outfit as well. This here. Okay, I'm into the faux leather pants. I think faux leather is still a thing this fall. I have the faux leather pants, brown, and I have a brown bodysuit. But I also have this big, roomy, oversized sweater with the hood on it. Yeah. So fall is about dressing in layers as well. I love that. And hold on. One more outfit up here. You gotta have some jeans, okay? And the jeans, these are like boot cut, or maybe, yeah, they're boot cut. I won't say they're bell. I got these from Walmart so long ago. They have the button front and the oversized sweater from Fenty Savage. I love it in gold. And y'all, hey, that's a whole over a week's worth of outfits right there. And on this side, of course, I have my dresses and all of that, but I have several outfits already together. Love it for me. Let me tell you what I got here. Let's see. Let's start right about here. How can you transfer summer clothes to fall attire? Summer dress. And I have this cute little crop sweater I pop on top of it. Bam! Cute, right? I love that. Let's say I gotta go somewhere. I gotta go somewhere that's kind of special. But I have a summer dress. Bam. Maxi little dress. Okay, I can pop on a black suit jacket. This one is a long length suit jacket, y'all. All right, I got a whole fit. But wait a minute. Maybe I want to go out and look a little stylish. I have a faux leather cape I can put on with that same dress, y'all. What? There we go. Bam. Honey, it works. It works. Oh my God. Y'all remember the patchwork jeans? And I'm almost finished. Because I'm not going through all of these clothes because I'm already tired. The patchwork jeans. I got the stretch patchwork jeans. A white shirt. Button down. Put that on, baby. Put a belt around your waist. You are fly and fabulous. All over again. But I just wanted to share that with y'all. But I did a great closet declutter clean out. And your girl is happy. So that is it. I will see y'all on tomorrow. Vlogtober day 8.
It's a new season, a new me. I'm stepping out in victory. No more chains, I'm finally free. This is my moment. New
Say hi, y'all.
season, new me.
So what's up?
I see
Hey, how you
tomorrow
doing?
with brand new eyes. Dreams I buried are coming alive. Every scar I carry is proof I survived. Now my soul is singing. I feel so alive. The night is over. The dawn has come. I've been reborn. My race has begun. Can't hold me back. Just watch and see. I'm walking boldly into who I'll be. It's a new season, a new me. I'm stepping out in victory. No more chains, I'm finally free. This is my moment. New season, new season, new season, new season.
Hello? Hello?
I've been waiting on this change.
Is that my grandbaby in my bed?
Through the rain.
Is that my
Rise on eagle's
grandbaby?
wings. Yeah, so my spirit sings.
Harry, squirt the water.
It's a new